Hi girls, this is lesson number 3. As a warm-up today, I want you to grab a pack of cards and flip a card over and try and think of its friend of 10 as quickly as you can. Just take out the queen and the jack and the king, or you could use one of those as a 0 because we know 0 and 10 are friends of 10. So that is your warm-up for today. Today we are looking at filling in a missing number in a tens fact. So your page looks like this today. It's got 8 plus something equals 10. So there's a missing addend or a missing part to the number sentence. To help you, you can grab your tens frame and some counters and lay out what it's told you as part of this number sentence. So here I've got 2 plus something equals 10. How many am I missing here? So you could lay out some more counters, or you could visually go, there's 4 boxes there, 4 and 4 is 8. So I know that 2 plus 8 equals 10. So you're filling in the missing number sentence. Here I've got 6 plus something equals 10. How many are missing? There are 4 missing. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Here I've got 5 plus something equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then here I've got 8 plus something, 8 plus 2 more. I can see there visually are 2 more missing. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. So that's your first part of your activity today, looking at the missing numbers on that page. Remember to use the tens frames and the counters to help you. I want you to pause the video now, complete that activity, and then come back to me once you've finished that activity and we'll talk about what's happening next. All right, hopefully you've finished that activity now. This is your next activity. It's called Make 10. And here, it's like a little bit of a word find, but it's a number find. And we're going to be finding the numbers next to each other or diagonally. I think it's actually only, horizontally or vertically that equal 10. Now, it doesn't just have to be 2 numbers. It could even be 3 numbers, where we can break up our tens facts into 2 different numbers. So let's talk about what that looks like. So here I've got 4 counters and I've got 6 counters. 4 and 6 are friends of 10. Okay, I'm going to write 4 plus 6 equals 10. Pop that here. But I know that I can break 4 up. I could break 4 up into 2. Let's move this over here. I can break 4 up into 2 and 2. So I know 2 plus 2 equals 4. I've still got 6 over here, but I've got 2 plus 2 plus 6, and it still equals 10. 2 plus 2 plus 6 equals 10. So it's still like using my friends of 10, but I know that 2 and 2 is 4 and plus 6 equals 10. Or what I could do is I could break 6 up, couldn't I? I could keep my 4 together, and then I could even break my 6 up into 3 and 3. So here I've got 4 plus 3 plus 3 equals 10. I'm still using my tens facts of 4 plus 6, but I'm changing the numbers around a little bit. So you'll see in your activity, I can see here straight away 8 plus 2. So I'm going to highlight those two because that's a tens fact. Let's see what else we can find. I can see 9 and 1. That's a tens fact. I can see one down here. I can see 4 and 5. Now 4 plus 5 isn't 10 because I know 5 plus 5 is 10, but next to it is a 1. I can make 5 with 4 and 1. So those three there, my video is in the way, it's not going to let me highlight it, but those three there are a tens fact. So you can look for the little numbers that have been broken apart to find the tens facts in there. So they can either go vertically or horizontally. That's your activity for today. Then there's a little game that you can play that's in your instructions.